Hey guys, it's Kevin. Uh, there are lots of DTF printers in the market, and the price range from couple $100 to like a 7,000 or like even more. We have a repair shop. We have a repair shop in North Carolina, and we've seen all sorts of DTF printers. And today, my goal is give you an overview of a little bit higher end of the printers. Most of DTF printers you see on the market are modified Epson printers. Many printers, if you see is under $1,000 or like under $2,000 as subpar, they last a week. And when you pay about 3,000 to 4,000 printers, and those printers modified better. However, those $3,000-$4,000 printer, they modified mostly from home use Epsons, and they are not good for high-speed printing and demand higher maintenance. For example, this thing almost $5,000 is $4,700, and the problem with it is the rail is broken, and because you print so fast so much, and eventually the rail worn out, it's not even anymore. So I have to rebuild from the scratch. What makes this printer $4,000 printer is this white ink management system. I try to explain to people most difference you can find between a $2,000 printer and a $3,000, $4,000 printer is the white ink management system. The white ink, just imagine, is white paint, it's latex. You're putting latex in your printer, so you have to make it ink moving, circulating. I've seen people cut corners, which $2,000 printer doesn't have a circulation system, direct to damper circulation system, or they only circulates in the tank, it's mixing, it's not circulating. Anyway, so only that little bit difference make a big difference in the life of the printer. So you might wonder, if I spend a little bit more money, what else can I get? Today we're going to go over this nice looking printer. The brand is Sublistar and the model is DTF A3 Ultra A. This is all-in-one printer which it prints and coated with powder and bake it. And the width is 300 millimeter plus. It has dual print heads, XP600 and I3200. It uses upgraded mainboard, so it doesn't use your home use mainboard. This is a professional mainboard. And also, it heats up the white ink. This is different than the heater that you see in the lower end model. The lower end models, they only heat up the film after it's printed. Sublistar is at the print head to make sure the white ink is smooth and consistent. And automatic cleaning, it doesn't depend on the original Epson cleaning. What's the interesting most is it has this automatic inline moisturizing system. Yeah, I'm going to cover them in detail in this video. Right now, I'm just quickly throughout all the features that's different from $4,000, $5,000 models. And also, this printer has platform heaters, and which you usually can see in the $4,000 or $5,000 printers. So that's just heat up the platform and control the ink drying time. And those temperature and humidity monitor, they are pretty standard in the lower model. And forget about those star wheels, paper feed wheels, wheel marks on the lower end printers. And this guy has automatic pinch control, so you won't have those problems anymore. For the rail system, I use a linear rail. The linear rail you usually use in the 3D printing, so I'm really glad they bring this to a DTF printing. And this is a true 6-color system. It's not like other printers that you only use 4 color and then you use 2 colors for white. This is a true 6-color plus white. For the white ink system, they use filtration and circulation system, which you can see in the lower models. And the speed of circulation is controllable. For the waste tank, they have automatic alarm system when the waste tank is full, which in some lower in the system you can see that. Again, I'm going to go over the features. Then I'm going to take out all the features that you're not going to see in regular printers, in regular DTF printers. And after you print, it automatically feed into a shaker to coat with powder, and those are fully controllable with a touch screen. So basically you get the film coated automatically and cured automatically, and you only send in a file, then you just collect your printout in a row. Let's take a look at the automatic moisturizing system. In their proprietary software, we're going to input the password, and then we can change the factory setup and turn this automatic moisturize on. And you can change the delay time and standby, and just save as default. I let it run a cleaning first. You can see it uses individual 4 peristaltic pumps for cleaning. And now it switched to the moisturizing mode. Let me show you what's underneath, what's going on. And now it's adding the moisturizer. How cool is that? You don't see this in the other printers. When we talk about linear rail, we have to compare with a regular Epson printer. This is a $5,000 modified Epson, and you can see the rail is a rod. Because the printhead carriage is a lot more heavier than Epson's original ones. You put so much stuff on it. So this part has a lot of stress and easier to wear out. It's just unavoidable that you're going to generate lots of heat and noises. And the motor is really hot during printing, and you might burn your motor out, or you might wear your rod out, or you might have a rail failure. The Sublistar use linear rail. The linear rail's advantage is has a phenomenal accuracy and stability, and this is critical for the speed you're going to get from the Sublistar. Let's do some calculation. Each page of A3 is about 0.125 square meter, and Sublistar is going to print 3.5 to 10 square meter per hour, and that's about 2 minutes to 1.3 minutes a page. If you have that little printer I showed you earlier, that printer prints 6 to 8 minutes a page. So this Sublistar is 3 to 4 times faster, and you definitely need a linear rail. Another thing I want to mention is the purification system. Yeah, let me show you. So again, this is all-in-one, so it has automatic filtration system built inside. How cool is that? So you don't have to buy a printer, then buy an oven, and then like buy a purifier. It uses infrared array technologies to cure the film, and you can see the fumes coming out of the curing oven. So if you do not filter these fumes, I think OSHA will be interested to talk to you. Let's see it in action. And we already cut it off some of the labels, and you can see the true 6-color system is much better, much brighter than the 4-color system. You can see how black that black is. It's almost like a rich black. That's just amazing, and I also cured perfectly. When I do transfer, I usually do 330 Fahrenheit and 6 to 12 seconds. Here's my setup. Notice the gas mask on the wall, and you do need the filtration system every time you do the DTF. The DTF is going to work on all sorts of fabrics, all background colors. Let's load the black shirt first. Once you load it, and just pinch the shoulder and use your finger as a guide, so make sure it's in the middle. And then you do a pre-press. It doesn't need to be long, like 2-3 seconds is okay, get rid of wrinkles. I want to mention not only you can sell the finished t-shirt, you also can sell the transfer. You can go to Facebook and join the DTF group. There are lots of people, their printers breaking down and they need a transfer overnight. Some people pay 7 to 10 cents a square inch. Not impressed? 1 square meter is 1,000 square inch, and 10 square meter per hour is about $1,000 per hour. Why people won't pay this much? Because they bought those $4,000 or $5,000 printer, and now their printer is broken, and they have orders to fill. So after this video, you're going to understand what you're going to get with a little bit higher level printer. See how much contrast you get between the white and black, and see the leather-like texture of the transfer. And this is a fabulous printer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.